everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today's video will be a little bit different. I normally show you guys a day in my life as a student pharmacist, but a lot has happened to me over the last week and I thought it would be a really good idea to tag you all along with me. If you're ready, then go ahead and sit back, relax, and let me catch you up to speed on what has been going on in my life for the past week. Day 1 was moving day for me. I'm traveling with this random stranger that I met at the airport, and we are moving from Guam all the way to Hawaii for our internship. Oh, by the way, that's Robin, and I'm pretty sure this is the first time he's in the vlog. He's also in pharmacy school and we will both be completing our 5th block for our 4th year internship.
Watching TV, you were the music that led me to the 6th string. And now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother.
I made sure to wipe down my seat with the small alcohol wipe that was given.
You lost your way in the madness of New York City. Oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me.
They don't serve food on the airplane anymore because of the pandemic, but we did got a few free snacks. Since this was an 8 hours flight, Robin downloaded a bunch of anime episodes for us to watch, but I ended up falling asleep after watching 2 episodes. After going through customs and proving our innocence that we have tested negative for COVID, we finally arrived at our hotel in Oahu for the night. The room looked pretty decent for the price that I paid for it, and does anyone else watch Hololive on YouTube? Robin and I are both obsessed with Gura.
Tomorrow we're playing.
I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way in the madness of New York City.
We were also super hungry, so I ordered us some food to be delivered to the room, and I crashed after eating too much.
I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me in the madness.
For day 2, Robin and I walked around Oahu since we had a few hours to spare before our connecting flight. We then went to the Apple store and Robin traded in his iPad that you saw earlier for the new 2020 iPad Pro. I also got something, but stay tuned to see what I bought.
Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking. Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children.
We also stopped by at this really cute bookstore that I always try to visit when I get a chance to, and I was able to pick up a few items like this cute plushie from the store.
We were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home. And all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore.
Later that day, we finally arrived to our Airbnb in Hawaii.
White walls around is broken, flowers color bluish, silver chairs, bed and pillow is all black and white. Oh no, took away the lights.
I spent the rest of the day unpacking and had beef stew pho for dinner. Today, I am finally done with traveling and I will be unboxing a few things for you guys to see. First up is this super cute plushie from the bookstore yesterday.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?
Next, I also got this mug for drinking tea and I think it's super adorable.
Never thought that I could describe such a lonely place. Now there's all the space, nothing can replace letting go of you. What's my
The last item that I got from the bookstore was this cat stress ball.
way? No, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need
So I bought the Mac Mini from the Apple Store yesterday. This will serve as my main desktop for studying and video editing. I wanted a stronger processor to use with Final Cut Pro so that it can help me to edit faster and therefore bring more videos to you guys. The Mac Mini doesn't have a good speaker, so I went to Target and bought one from Bose, as well as some other grocery items.
Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need a favor.
For dinner tonight, I will be making Korean barbecue with rice. I really enjoy cooking and I'm happy that I get to share this with you guys through my vlogs. Hopefully I will be able to cook during my rotation that is starting again next week.
Yeah, 10 o'clock, feeding for the guap. I be beaming, losing balance, yo bitch falling on my yacht. They're like, smell like genius, that's my Elon Musk. 10 o'clock, and it's PM, being patient with my buzz. Yeah, you can't rock with us, I can't rock fitted.
Today, I'm back at the gym again. My arms are super sore from weightlifting for the first time in a long time yesterday, so today I will be focusing on my lower body.
In my hometown, 'cause I'm moving on to bigger and better things. Got a lot of low things, but I'm up now. Keep your head on straight, don't slow down. 'Cause I'm moving on to bigger and better things. We stay up too late, but we don't go out. My new friends are fake, they all talk too loud. I got one more year.
After the gym, Robin and I got some sushi at a local restaurant and I went home and studied again for the rest of the day.
Everybody here's young, rich, and sad, but I want it so bad. I'm growing up and I'm 19, but I don't give up 'cause I'm finding.
Now I am making a mini ice cream sundae for a study snack. I wasn't able to film it, so I'm using this old footage from my first time making these for my friends and I when we were all still living in the dorms together.
Saturdays back in 05, flip-flops with the socks high. My dad was driving me down to the Diamond. Backseat, and I thought I was gonna make it big time. Maybe it's crazy to think we're the same kid. It's just circles in my head. I I've been running after something.
On Saturday, I received a package from Codex Anatomicus. If you've been watching my videos for a while now, you've probably know that I love these art prints from them. I am hosting a giveaway for 5 winners from Instagram, so make sure you read the rules in my description box and head over to my Instagram for more details on how you can win one of these art prints. For lunch today, Robin and I went and got some ramen.
Starving for my purpose, maybe I ain't found it yet. Honest questions with my mother, all these things you think you want. Well, they
I then spent the rest of the day editing this video for you guys.
for the answers where they used to be, at the center of it all forever.
Finally, on Sunday, I woke up and went to the gym really early in the morning. I love going to the gym on a Sunday since no one really goes. I guess it's a rest day for most people, so I basically had the whole gym to myself. I was really excited how empty the gym was, so I spent a few hours there and worked on any muscles that weren't already sore. For the rest of the day, I had to study and prepare for my ambulatory care rotation that is starting again on Monday. My preceptor told me to make a presentation about myself for the first day, so that's what I'm doing here. It's bittersweet for me that I have to intern again. I had a really nice break these past few weeks and was able to catch up on a lot of sleep, but hopefully I will be able to learn a lot more once rotations start again for me. And thank you so much to you guys for watching another vlog. I hope you enjoyed this long one about a whole week in my life. Don't forget to subscribe for more and like this video if you haven't already. I will talk to you guys again very soon. Bye guys!